A typical day. Hi, I want to go to Medellin. Medellin is located in the north of Colombia. Its climate is cool and rainy. Medellin is famous for a special spring climate in the Aburrá Valley in the Andes. It has incredible architecture with scarred colonial buildings and colorful houses. The people are very friendly, day and night. In general, people are very cool. Normally in Medellin, they are very hard workers. They like to live well and make their own money. When I young in Medellin, I want to visit Graffiti Comuna 13, Guatapé, and tour this city to get to know its incredible architecture and about the food at 1, 2, 3 the paisa platter, the chorizo antioqueño and the sancocho antioqueño. Before the trip is over, I want to take a gastronomy what in the Provenza neighborhood, go to the Pablo Escobar Museum, and finally go to the constant missing museum and garden. Thank you.